Hello and welcome. This tutorial video shows how to speed up a computer in a way. Go to Ccleaner.com, click on Free Download, scroll down, and choose a download link. In this case, fileapo.com was selected. Then press Download Latest Version. Once Ccleaner has been downloaded, run the setup file by double-clicking on it. Then simply follow the install procedure. Note that in this case, the install procedure was not followed until the end because Ccleaner was already installed. Find the Ccleaner icon and double-click on it. Then simply press Run Cleaner. When that operation is complete, junk files will have been cleaned. Go to allslogics.com. Click on the Disk Defrag free link and press Download Now. Once the allslogics Disk Defrag free program has been downloaded, find the setup file and double-click on it. Follow the install procedure, and once that is done, find the allslogics Disk Defrag icon, double-click on it, and press Defrag. That is all. Thank you for watching. With kind regards to you all, wherever you are.